Picture this. The alarm goes off, you're rushing around, and suddenly you're out the door without having had a proper breakfast. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Now imagine waking up to a ready-made, nutritious breakfast just waiting for you. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not, it's real, and it's called overnight oats. Overnight oats have taken the health world by storm, and for good reason. They're simple to make, incredibly versatile, and packed full of health benefits. So what's the secret behind this healthy breakfast option? It's all about the ingredients. Oats, for starters, are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, helping to regulate your digestive system. They're also packed with vital vitamins and minerals like manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium. Next up, we have chia seeds. Tiny but mighty. They're loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and a hefty dose of protein. Chia seeds are also one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Then there's the yogurt. It's not just a creamy addition to your oats. Yogurt is a probiotic, which means it's great for your gut health. It's also rich in protein, calcium, and vitamin B12. And let's not forget about the toppings. Fresh fruits, nuts, seeds, the options are endless. These add not only flavor and texture, but also a boost of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Preparing overnight oats is incredibly simple. Start by mixing your oats, chia seeds, and yogurt in a container. Next, choose your preferred liquid. This can be regular milk or almond milk. Stir everything thoroughly, put it into the refrigerator, and there you it. A tasty, nutritious breakfast will be ready for you as soon as you get up. But don't just take our word for it. Try making overnight oats for yourself. Experiment with different flavors, play around with the toppings. Discover your unique combination, and when you do, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with the world. Let everyone know how overnight oats have revolutionized your breakfast routine. To sum it up, overnight oats are more than just a breakfast dish. They're a lifesaver for those hectic mornings. They're a powerhouse of nutrition. They're a canvas for your culinary creativity. So what are you waiting for? Get your jars ready, stock up on your oats and chia seeds, and let's bring some excitement back to breakfast. Remember, a healthy day begins with a healthy breakfast. And with overnight oats, you're always off to a great start. So, there you have it. Breakfast doesn't have to be a struggle. With overnight oats, it can be a highlight. Enjoy your journey to a healthier, happier morning. Until next time, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep enjoying the simple pleasures of good food. If you enjoyed this video and found our tips on overnight oats insightful, we have plenty more where that came from. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Healthy Eats and Wisdom, for more healthy eating tips and delicious recipes. And to ensure you don't miss any of our content, click on that notification bell. You'll get alerts every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health is your wealth. See you in our next video.